In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payoneer to Amazon KDP. This process is a crucial step if you're an author looking to streamline your payments from Amazon KDP, ensuring they arrive directly in your Payoneer account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything set up efficiently, so let's dive in. First, open your browser of choice. On the search bar, type in Amazon KDP to navigate to the Kindle Direct publishing page. Once there, you'll need to log in using your Amazon account credentials. Enter your email and password, and proceed to hit the login button. This will take you to your KDP dashboard, where you can manage your books and account settings. Before we continue, make sure you have your Payoneer account details on hand. Specifically, you'll need your account number and the corresponding routing number, as these are essential for setting up your payment method. You can usually find these details by logging into your Payoneer account and checking under your bank account details section. Keep these numbers handy, as you'll need to input them soon. Now that we're on the KDP dashboard, look for the Account option where you can access various account settings. From there, navigate to the section labeled Getting Paid. This is where you'll set up how you receive your earnings from Amazon KDP. You'll first need to select the location of the bank you're using. For most Payoneer accounts dealing with US dollars, choose the United States as your banking location. In the next step, you'll see fields requesting your bank details. This is where you'll input the account number and routing number from your Payoneer account. Be sure to enter this information accurately, as any mistakes could lead to delays or issues with receiving your payments. Double-check each number before proceeding, as accuracy is key here. Moving forward, you'll need to specify the type of account you're linking. Most of the time, this will be a checking account, so select that option. Choosing the correct account type ensures your payments are processed correctly and without unnecessary hitches. Finally, it's time to add your bank to Amazon KDP. Once you've confirmed that all the information you've entered is correct, save your details. By saving your banking information, you've successfully connected your Payoneer account to Amazon KDP, ensuring that your future earnings are transferred smoothly. And that's it! You've now linked your Payoneer account seamlessly to Amazon KDP, facilitating a smooth flow of income from your book sales. This setup not only simplifies your earnings, but ensures a secure and reliable payment method through Payoneer. Thanks for following along, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials like this one.